That VSB file is a metadata component of a Veeam backup, part of the infrastructure that keeps your virtual machine backups organized and recoverable. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you understand and manage these backup metadata files. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade VSB file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. VSB files are backup metadata files created by Veeam Backup and Replication, containing index and catalog information for virtual machine backup jobs. They store restore point metadata deduplication references and backup chain topology data alongside the primary VBK and VIB backup files. Veeam VSB metadata files use a binary index structure storing backup job identifiers, restore point timestamps, disk mapping tables, change block tracking references, and deduplication hash indexes. The format enables fast restore point browsing and granular recovery operations. Your primary software solution for VSB files should be Veeam Backup and Replication from Veeam. The file's embedded scripts necessitate a sandboxed environment not offered by Windows. Windows can't read the internal data blocks, so accessing content demands dedicated backup tools. The initial action is crucial. Right-click your VSB file and select Open With. Use Veeam Backup and Replication. If it's installed, it's the best candidate. If not, cycle through the remaining options until one works. If your VSB file is not opening yet, that is normal. Understanding the technical vulnerability of the VSB format is key. Here are the most common reasons why you're seeing this system error. First, understanding VSB Role. VSB files work alongside VBK full backup and VIB incremental backup files to provide the complete backup chain. They are automatically created and managed by Veeam Backup and Replication during backup job execution. Do not manually modify or delete VSB files as they are essential for restore operations. Next, managing in Veeam Console. Open Veeam Backup and Replication Console to manage backups containing VSB files. Navigate to Backup Infrastructure, then Backup Repositories to view backup chains. Use the Restore Wizard to browse available restore points indexed by VSB metadata for virtual machine or file level recovery. Finally, troubleshooting backup issues. If Veeam reports metadata errors, run the Backup Repair Wizard from the Backup Job Context menu. Rescan the backup repository to rebuild VSB indexes from existing VBK and VIB files. Verify that VSB files are present alongside their corresponding backup files and have not been accidentally moved or deleted. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.